AM7.
It's not an AM7.
Well, it sounds, AM7s do not sound like that. I'm sorry, bro, but it does not.
I mean, they can with the air horn or with the
Yeah. Wait, so that's a K5LA?
I'm not quite sure.
No, it just sounds like an AM7. I forget what it sounds like. It's not a pooch, definitely. Did you just say not a pooch?
Not a poop.
Pooch. P30CH. P30CH. You know what that is? Oh, shut up! Hey, bro, you might want to hold that to your tripod before it gets knocked over again. Yeah, I think it's coming right now. Oh, thank you, Captain Obvious.
Not nice.
I think the tripod might die. Rest in peace, the tripod it got hit by a train.
Quiet.
Got hit by a train.
Be quiet, dude.
It's gonna be triggered in 3, 2. Wait, 3, 2, 1.
Bad timing.
Shut up! Hey, at least this guy like. You almost timed it. I'm gonna plug in my ears with the remote shoved in my ear. Shush! Let's see if it will give out a big smoke show like it did last time. Let's go! 4 foamers. Wait, the FFs. 4 foamers. But that should be, you should make a playlist of the FF series where it's just 4 foamers.
You're stupid.
I'm not. Are you a live stream or something? No, I'm not. I wish I was though. Yeah, me too. Oh crap. Thank you so much for watching, viewers. Make sure to subscribe to Mail
Get out of my shot, please.
Make sure to subscribe to Mail Round 6131, and we'll see you in the next one.
Dylan, please help.